Thank you for your interest in NuVues Somerset Raised Garden Bed. This video will show you step-by-step instructions on how to assemble your raised garden bed. A lot of care has gone into the design of NuVues products so that they're easy to assemble and no tools are required. Step 1. Remove all components from the retail box. Step 2. Line up a panel with the 4 clips on the end with the panel that has the post design. Step 3. Place the panel with the 4 clips at a 45-degree angle. Step 4. Insert the panel with the clips into the post end panel as shown. Step 5. Spread panels out so that they're at a 90-degree angle and are firmly locked in place. Repeat steps 1, 2, 3, and 4 to attach remaining panels. Note: to lock final panel in place, pull both panels inward to form a slight angle to allow panel clips to lock in with corner post. Step 6. Locate the 4 corner locking clips that are included in the box. Step 7. Place 1 locking clip as shown into the top of each corner. Push the locking clip until it clicks and is firmly locked into the corner. Step 8. Repeat the process for all 4 corners. Add soil and plants. Enjoy your growing experience.